Hey guys, it's Drew the Tech Guy here. It's really good to be back after a bit of a break, but today I'm here to show you my top 5 apps for Windows Phone for December. App number 1 is an app called Perfect Tube, which is developed by Perfect Thumb, and as you can probably tell, it's a YouTube app replacement. Now I've tried a lot of YouTube apps. I've tried MyTube, I've tried Tubecast, to name a few, but this has been hands down my absolute favourite. As you might know, YouTube doesn't have a native app on Windows Phone. Bit of a controversy with Google there, but nonetheless, we do have this replacement app here. It is free, but you do have the option to pay to get the ads removed, which is what I've done. I think it's 100% worth it. I love the interface of the app. It's quite modern. It sort of fits in with Windows Phone in general. The interface is really well designed. Everything is within reach and it's easy to access. All the kind of functionality that you see on other platforms like the iPhone or on Android, you can get here. The actual video player is really well designed as well. Let's try and find a video here. Let's try this one. The video player is very clear. You can actually change the quality of the video. There's a neat feature when you want to look at comments but still listen to the video, where the comments will actually appear transparent on top of the video. It's really unintrusive and it's actually pretty neat. And similar to iOS and Android, if you go, for example, to look at another channel, the video keeps playing in a little box down the bottom. It just means that you're free to browse around the app while the video continues. A quick swipe to the left will dismiss the video. You can see here I've opened up my YouTube channel. You can look at the videos that you've got and uploaded, and you can look at your playlists as well. So really, it's close in functionality to apps on the other platform, and I think the developer's done a really great job of that. App number 2 is an app called Xodo, which I think is how you say it. Xodo pretty much is a text editing powerhouse, but really I like to use it as my utility for anything from text editing to highlighting text to annotating PDF files. You can even leave comments on PDF files. You can draw freehand using the brush. You can even use signatures. So if I click here, I can actually write freehand with your finger, your signature, and I'm free to resize and to move it around and put it where I need to put it. So if you're looking for an app that can do all of those things on the fly, this is the app for you. There's actually a companion app as well, so if you have a Windows tablet, for example the Microsoft Surface, you can actually download the app on that platform as well. App number 3 is an app called Hacky News, and this is a really good app for anybody who's interested in reading about anything tech related. Computers, software, apps, even a bit of science and business thrown into that. I really like the way that it's designed. It's really intuitive, so you can browse the article, but at the same time, if you want to have a look and get involved with the community, you can have a look at what people are saying. You can leave your own comments if you wish. It just is a really well designed app. I actually really enjoy reading it every day almost. So if you are really into kind of keeping up with tech news, this is a really good app for you. App number 4 on my list is Opera, which is a browser replacement app. Now, if you've seen my last video, you would have seen that I did talk about another browser called UC browser. Opera is very well known. It's been making browsers for years and years and years. I remember using Opera on my old Nokia candy bar phone, so they've been around for quite a while and they're good at what they do. The interface is really clean, websites load very fast, and it actually saves you data. So if you're one of those people that is always running out of data or wants to kind of preserve as much as you can, this is a really good app. It actually shows you how much data you're using. If you click down here, you can see how much data you've saved just by using Opera. If you use this consistently and for a long time, the savings really do add up. You can have multiple tabs just like any other browser. It's all really fast, it's all really slick. I really enjoy it. I think it's a great app, and I think you should use it if you do need to save some data, or you want a faster browser, or you just want to try something different. Give it a go. App number 5 is a game called Lara Croft GO, which I've downloaded here on my 1520, which is actually running Windows 10 Mobile, which I highly recommend if you I wanted to give it a go. It's actually quite stable now. Lara Croft GO is a really good platform, I think it's called. It's a puzzle game, so you take it in turns to make moves, and pretty much you're set to explore the world of Lara Croft. This one in particular is set in temples, but it's a really well designed game. It's got a lot of polish to it, there hasn't been any bugs, the artwork is beautiful. You can see things are animated when I move. It's all very smooth, no issues at all. I really enjoy it. It's actually a lot of fun, but it is a really good game to just pick up and play if you're stuck at the doctor's or you just have a few minutes to spare. It's chapter based, so you can pick it up in little bursts and have a go. And it's actually stumped me sometimes. I've had moments where I actually had to really think for a second and try and work out the best way to do it. I think it's a very worthwhile purchase and it's a lot of fun. So give that a go. I think you'll really enjoy it. Well, those are my top 5 apps for Windows Phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what have been your top 5 apps for December. I hope you all have a safe and happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video.